This eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is a stellar example of modern robotic vacuum technology, blending sleek design, powerful performance, and intelligent features into one compact package. This review dives deep into its various aspects, from design and usability to performance and maintenance. One of the first things you'll notice about the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is its incredibly slim profile. At just 2.85 inches tall, it is designed to glide under most furniture with ease, reaching those hidden dust bunnies that are often missed by traditional vacuums. The black tempered glass top cover not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides durable protection against scratches, ensuring the vacuum maintains its sleek appearance over time. Despite its powerful suction capabilities, the RoboVac 11S Max operates at a noise level comparable to that of a microwave, making it an unobtrusive addition to your household. You can run it at any time of day or night without worrying about disturbing your family or neighbors. Its quiet operation is particularly beneficial for those who work from home or have small children and pets. The hallmark of the RoboVac 11S Max is its BoostIQ technology. This feature automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean, especially on medium pile carpets and tricky areas. This ensures that all types of flooring from hardwood to carpet receive the appropriate amount of suction power for a thorough cleaning. With up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning on hardwood floors, the RoboVac 11S Max offers extended performance that covers more ground on a single charge. When the battery runs low, the vacuum autonomously returns to its charging base to recharge itself, ensuring that it is always ready for the next cleaning session. This self-charging feature eliminates the hassle of manually plugging in your vacuum, adding to its convenience and ease of use. Navigation is a critical aspect of any robotic vacuum, and the eufy RoboVac 11S Max excels in this department. It is equipped with infrared sensors to detect obstacles and prevent collisions, while drop sensing technology ensures it won't take any tumbles down the stairs. This advanced sensor system allows the RoboVac to clean efficiently, while avoiding common household hazards, ensuring both the vacuum and your home are protected. The RoboVac 11S Max comes with a suite of accessories to enhance your cleaning experience. Included in the package are a remote control with batteries, a charging base, an AC power adapter, a cleaning tool, and a side brush. The side brush is particularly useful for sweeping along edges and corners, ensuring a thorough clean. Additionally, the user manual provides clear instructions for setup and maintenance, making it easy for even the least tech-savvy users to get started. Maintaining the RoboVac 11S Max is straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean, and the filters can be quickly replaced when needed. Regularly emptying the dustbin and cleaning the filters will ensure that your RoboVac continues to perform at its best. The tempered glass cover can be wiped clean with a damp cloth to keep it looking pristine. In real-world testing, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max performs admirably across different types of flooring. On hardwood floors, it picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. On medium pile carpets, the BoostIQ feature kicks in to provide the extra suction needed to lift embedded dirt and debris. It navigates seamlessly between floor types without missing a beat, thanks to its intelligent sensors and adaptive suction power. eufy backs the RoboVac 11S Max with a worry-free 12-month warranty, providing peace of mind to its users. Should you encounter any issues, their customer support team is available to assist you, ensuring that you get the help you need promptly. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is an exceptional robotic vacuum cleaner that combines powerful suction, intelligent features, and a sleek design into one user-friendly package. Its quiet operation, extended battery life, and advanced safety features make it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or a mix of both, the RoboVac 11S Max is up to the task, delivering a thorough and efficient clean every time. Overall, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and smart robotic vacuum cleaner. Its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design ensures it meets the needs of a wide range of households, making it a worthy investment for keeping your home clean with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.